US says it won't build a Bitcoin reserve until other countries force their hand. Crypto investor Mike Alfred says Washington will only start buying BTC once it feels real pressure from abroad, basically when other nations make the first move. He thinks Bitcoin hits $1 million by 2033, and by then almost every government will be holding it as a strategic asset. The US already approved a framework for a Bitcoin reserve, but it still hasn't actually started buying. And that delay could backfire. Some analysts warn America risks getting front-run by countries already preparing to accumulate BTC. So the real question is, will the US lead or hesitate until everyone else stacks first?